What orthopedic diseases have genetic origins?
It's actually a very broad question, so let me try and narrow it down for the purposes of making it easy for a lot of people to understand what we're up to today. So, for starters, it is believed that in the modern context of things, after the human genome has been discovered and its various nuances have been understood to some extent at least, that a whole lot of diseases do have a genetic basis from which they manifest depending on various interactions that we have with our environment and various other predilections and causes that may occur over a period of time. And it is definitely true that certain genetically predisposed conditions may not eventually show themselves up because of certain other genetic changes that we may have in our bodies. Keeping that concept in the background, the sort of genomic background of disease progression in the background, it's important for us to understand that certain diseases or disorders need not always be diseases in themselves. So, for example, if we look at osteoarthritis, the sort of age-related wear and tear changes that occurs in practically all of us, that to some extent is genetically predetermined, agreed. But then again, it's to a large extent driven by how we use our bodies. So people who, let us say, do a lot of physical exertion and spend a lot of time on their knees may wear out their knees earlier compared to somebody else who lifts a lot of weight and injures their back repetitively. They may have more and more wear and tear changes in the back. Now, these are another scope of discussion.